If you ain't seen me using the rhythm shooting on this Kevin Durant build, you need to go tap into the video. Now today, I'm in the proving grounds, and then I'm showing some clips. But I really want to tell you guys how to use a Kevin Durant build in NBA 2K25. I've been using the 610 since 2K17. Now, this is all IQ knowledge tips. If you don't know this stuff, then it's like, moves. You have to learn the game of basketball, because how this game is going is like realistic basketball. And at that point, it kind of gets a little tough to teach certain things. Some things you have to pick up and just learn the pace. And once you're at a certain level, then you know it's levels to it. That's how I like to put it. But first off, you see catch and shoot in the corner. Bow. Look at this. I want you guys to pay attention to this. When I catch the ball, look at the catch animation. It's not really good. I wait till my feet is set and the ball comes in front of me, and then I shoot. Understand that you have time. Take your time. Shoot those shots tight, alright? Give me the board. He's talking. He's saying, stay on, big man. Don't worry. I got it. I'm going to take care of this. Centers are a automatic mismatch. Yes, they will bully me on the boards, but if I have like another build or another taller guy who could rebound anything on the team, it's a done deal mismatch, because I can do this and shoot a mid-range. What is he thinking right there? He just doesn't want to be out of position for that board. You understand? Give me the midi. Now listen to them. I was spazzing on bro. He just telling me not to shoot. I'm like, come on, bro. It's me. Man, I was spazzing. I was cursing, all that. We gonna cut it out though. But like, you don't tell OG not to shoot. You miss a few shots and people just act crazy. This is basketball. That's the fun, like, of the game. That doesn't mean a person's ass if they miss a shot. People have to get warm. That's the whole point of the game. Look how I move off the rip. You have to learn how to use that left stick and switch the hand. Look at this. Boom. Use that left stick and switch the ball hand. Hop, step, dunk, right in the paint. I only have a 74 drive and dunk. I told people, if you are a skilled player, you can do stuff like that. Easy dunks, wide open. This is the proving grounds. I'm showing y'all how you get it done. Like, come on. Tap in. Look at this. Midi. He sits in the paint. He camps the paint. We got Midi Maestro take over on. We cook. We cook. Look at me again. Midi, fade, KD. They just buffed this. Like, they buffed everything.
Nigga. We just gonna beat on you, phone and grade. We just gonna beat on you, phone and grade. Hey, get his IP address, Brody. Get his AO link. Get his IP address, Brody.
I was acting like I was a... He says, "Oh, they ain't make." Oh my god, that's too funny. I was acting like I was a Chicago hood nigga. He said they ain't make only my gun. My gun was the only gun made. Lock in. Watch KD. I cook. You have to learn how to cook. It's the only way. Look. When you have mismatches, you go to the mismatch, because it'll always cause dysfunction in the team. He's 6'3", I'm 6'10". Boom, go quick. You don't go slow. You go slow. They understand you're not elite in the post area. It's that simple. Mid. You have to shoot mid ranges like this. When his back is turned, look at his position. Shoot the ball. Stop being scared and shoot that damn ball. Once you learn how that window is, and it becomes like riding a bike, like when the first time you rode a bike, if you ever rode a bike in your life, you're going to understand what OG's talking about. Right here, I go to a post, shoot again. Watch it, people. Pay attention. I'm not like capping to y'all. This is really Just learn the game. IRL. The game is going that way. You want to just get better at 2K? Easy. Look, they're reaching. He's late contesting. Automatic. And he's way far on the late contest, so it's auto. Shoot these shots. Right here, I take a crazy fade. He's not ready for it. This is what I talk about when I say I'm in the IRL playstyle. 2K's windows have went up crazy. They changed and reached to new heights. So right here, when I go to this post fade, he has his hands down. He doesn't expect me to take this shot like this. And with this new game, this is what you can do. Post fade Phenom Hall of Fame. Speed boost to the dunk. People say the build is slow. There's times and points of times where you need to move fast. Right here, behind the back. That's one of our fast moves. Then I throw the ball in front of me, switching to the left stick. That's just a left stick animation. And I dunk the ball. Easy. Talk to me nice. Y'all see what I'm doing? Oh, watch this. Get him off my body. Midi. You have to learn how to be the mid-range assassin. We're going back to the shot creator days in 2K17. 1-2 move. Boom. That's 3 moves right there. To a shot. Mid-range. They're not ready for that. Only elite defenders can stop that. Right here, I'm facing against a 7-footer. They can eat me up in the paint, but if I get hot and I score, it's over. I'm going to cause problems. I'm going to make a scene. Watch me. Sagging off in the corner. Bow. That's one. He's talking about, oh, pick up mines, bro. You're guarding Kevin Durant. Basic basketball, okay. You're guarding Kevin Durant. The real him. I gotta meet my teammate because he trying to like, I could tell he one of them ones like that just talk too much. I don't need to hear it. Watch the movements. Whoa. Come here, sir. This is patch 2. They just buffed me. What did I tell y'all? It's going to be scary now. Extra scary. I'm not playing. You drop a light. Sleep if you want. I'm about to be cooking. It's over with. It's over with. Wait till I go on Kyrie. You see what I'm doing. You see what I'm doing. Rhythm. That's what you just said when you shoot that rhythm. That's what you gotta say when you shoot like that. Rhythm. Come on, man. I told y'all the rhythm shooting. He said he's broke, bro. He thought that.
Be patient, big dog.
Yo, I'm about to get this cat breaker, y'all. I'm about to be elite.
How you shoot it? There you shoot it. You shoot it when you're open, dog. Oh,
I'm loving 25. Watch this. I'm loving 25. Look at these boys. Patch 2, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Look at the spin. You have to be different. You have to learn how powerful the mid-range is and how much easy shots you can get in certain moments. Like this shot. You have to. Cooked enough this game. Easy W. I love to hear people talk trash or they come on a center. He was on a 7-foot center, strength, just trying to bully me, trying to talk crazy. Look right here. Really, once you learn to plant yourself on the 6'10 builds, your shooting becomes crazier. I know some people struggle with the dribbling, but you just got to get that under control. You gotta get your placement, like moving around, feeling under control. I know he's bigger, he may feel slower, but I've been using these builds for so long. You see, I stop, I wait till my feet get set, and then I shoot that shot. Been doing this so long on big players, man. Look, baby, midi, easy, automatic. 3 in a row, green lights. New patch. I told y'all they made me OP. That's it. Close shot is crazy. I got a close shot basically like a 7-footer, a big, because it's in the 90s. I'm just throwing it up, putting it over. Shot creator fade right here. Look at this. He reaches. I take a fade. This is how powerful fades are. Like, do not sleep. When a person does not choose to guard that fade, it's 9 times out of 10 automatic. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm flooding y'all with bangers this whole week. The rest of this week, like, I'm flooding bangers. Be ready. Drop a like. I'll see y'all in the next video.